That right. Pull back. Back in you. Stand by. I think you hit that cluster of tape right there is what you did, and then you had some mic, so.
Yeah, those last two headshots were good.
Yeah.
29-40.
I stopped with the gun loaded with it.
I want a good show.
Stand by.
There you go. That's a lot smoother.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
Oh, low.
Stay with your left hand.
Ah,
Use two hands.
it's falling apart.
There you go.
Tactical reload.
Wrong cylinder.
Went the wrong way. Not giving up.
Fight through it.
You use a speed loader? Or?
No, he's a single load.
Oh.
Yeah.
He was going through the cylinder there, looking for a live round.
It's a good thump.
Yeah.
6610.
Is that the record?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a record.